Welcome back to Afro Feast, where we bring you the most incredible African adventures. I'm your host, and today we're about to take you on the ultimate safari journey across Africa's most spectacular wilderness areas. But before we venture into the wild, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because you don't want to miss out on the epic safari adventures, wildlife encounters, and travel secrets we're sharing every week right here on Afro Feast. Picture this: the golden African sun rising over endless savanna, the thunderous sound of wildebeest hooves during the Great Migration, a pride of lions lounging under acacia trees, an elephant silhouetted against a crimson sunset. This isn't just a dream. This is what awaits you on an African safari in 2025. Whether you're witnessing the Great Migration in Kenya and Tanzania, gliding through Botswana's pristine Okavango Delta, or spotting the legendary Big Five in South Africa's Kruger National Park, this video is packed with expert insights, essential travel tips, and everything you need to know to plan the safari of your dreams. Get ready to discover why 2025 is the perfect year to experience Africa's wild side. 2025 is the ultimate year for African safari adventures, and here's why. Conservation efforts across Africa are at an all-time high, with wildlife populations recovering and thriving in many parks. Countries like Rwanda, Kenya, and Botswana have invested heavily in anti-poaching initiatives, resulting in incredible wildlife viewing opportunities. Infrastructure improvements mean better roads, upgraded lodges, and more flight connections, making remote safari destinations more accessible than ever. Technology has revolutionized safari experiences with GPS tracking and mobile apps that enhance game viewing with real-time information. Finally, 2025 offers perfect timing for witnessing Africa's most spectacular natural phenomena, including optimal Great Migration cycles and weather patterns across different regions. Let's dive into Africa's top 5 safari destinations that should be on every wildlife enthusiast's bucket list. Each of these remarkable locations offers unique experiences that showcase the continent's incredible biodiversity and natural wonders. Number 1. Maasai Mara, Kenya. The crown jewel of East African safaris, the Maasai Mara hosts the world-famous Great Migration from July to October, where over 2 million wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles cross the Mara River in one of nature's most dramatic spectacles. Beyond the migration, the Mara offers year-round excellent game viewing, with some of Africa's highest concentrations of big cats. Lions, leopards, and cheetahs thrive in this open savanna ecosystem. The authentic Maasai cultural experiences add another dimension, allowing visitors to explore traditional villages and witness centuries-old customs. Luxury tented camps provide world-class accommodations with front-row seats to nature's greatest show. Number 2. Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. The birthplace of the Great Migration and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Serengeti spans 12,000 square kilometers of pristine wilderness. This vast ecosystem supports the largest terrestrial mammal migration in the world, with over 1.5 million wildebeest following ancient migration routes in an endless cycle of life and death. The park's diverse habitats range from endless grasslands to rocky kopjes that serve as natural observation points for predators. With an estimated 4,000 lions calling this wilderness home, the Serengeti offers incredible predator-prey interactions year-round. The park pioneered hot air balloon safaris, providing bird's-eye views of the vast plains and concluding with champagne breakfast in the bush. Number 3. Kruger National Park, South Africa. one of the world's largest game reserves covering nearly 20,000 square kilometers. Kruger is the ultimate destination for spotting the Big Five: lion, leopard, rhino, elephant, and buffalo. Established in 1898, this iconic park protects incredible ecosystem diversity from dense woodlands to open savannas. Kruger's accessibility sets it apart. Excellent self-drive options with over 1,800 kilometers of roads allow visitors to explore at their own pace. The southern regions are malaria-free, making it ideal for families. The park supports approximately 1,500 lions, 17,000 elephants, and 5,000 rhinos, along with over 500 bird species. Luxury private reserves like Sabi Sands border the park, offering exclusive experiences without fences. Number 4. Okavango Delta, Botswana. A pristine wetland paradise and UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Okavango Delta is one of the world's largest inland deltas, covering 15,000 square kilometers. Created by the Okavango River flowing into the Kalahari Desert, this unique ecosystem forms a labyrinth of waterways and islands, supporting incredible wildlife diversity. The delta offers a completely different safari experience, combining traditional game drives with mokoro, dugout canoe, excursions through crystal-clear channels teeming with hippos, crocodiles, and hundreds of bird species. Peak flood season, June to August, offers the best water-based activities, while the dry season concentrates wildlife around permanent water sources. The region supports large elephant populations and is home to endangered African wild dogs. Number 5. Ittoshia National Park, Namibia. Famous for its massive 4,800 square kilometer salt pan visible from space, Ittoshia National Park offers a unique desert safari experience. The park's name means Great White Place, referring to the shimmering salt pan that dominates the landscape. The park's magic lies in its incredible wildlife concentrations around permanent water holes during the dry season, May to October. These oases create spectacular viewing opportunities where hundreds of elephants, zebras, and antelopes gather daily. Ittoshia is home to unique desert-adapted species and has one of Africa's most successful rhino conservation programs. The rest camps inside the park offer flood-lit water holes for nighttime wildlife viewing, creating some of Africa's most dramatic photographic opportunities. Planning the perfect safari requires attention to timing, budget, and logistics. Best travel times vary by destination. East Africa's dry seasons, June, October, and December, March, offer excellent game viewing, while Southern Africa's dry winter months, May, September, provide optimal wildlife sightings. Budget considerations include accommodation ranging from budget camping to ultra-luxury lodges, with mid-range options offering excellent value. Essential packing includes neutral-colored clothing, comfortable shoes, sun protection, binoculars, and a good camera. Health preparations involve consulting your doctor about vaccinations and malaria prophylaxis for certain areas. Book accommodations and flights well in advance, especially for peak seasons, and consider conservation-focused operators who contribute to local communities and wildlife protection. And there you have it, your ultimate African safari guide for 2025. From the thunderous Great Migration in the Maasai Mara to the pristine wilderness of the Okavango Delta, Africa's safari destinations are ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. So which safari destination has captured your imagination? Drop a comment below and tell me which park is at the top of your bucket list. Share your safari dreams or ask questions about planning your adventure. If this safari guide has inspired your next African adventure, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more epic African travel content. Ring that notification bell because we're bringing you the best safari tips and wildlife encounters every week. Remember, a safari isn't just a vacation. It's a journey into Africa's wild soul and a chance to contribute to conservation efforts protecting these incredible ecosystems. The African wilderness is waiting, and 2025 is the perfect time to make it happen. Until next time, this is Afro Feast, and we'll see you on safari.